Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The St. Andrews South Police are still searching for 2 of 4 robbers who engaged them in a gun battle sometime after 4 this morning. 2 of the robbers were killed in a shootout. Police say the men opened fire at them when they attempted to foil a robbery on Waltham Park Road in the vicinity of Joseph Road. Giovanni Dennis reports.
Grills forcibly detached and window panes removed. This variety store on Waltham Park Road, St. Andrew, the target of robbers who made off with over $500,000 worth of goods and cash in their disrupted early morning heist. The store owner was awakened by news that lawmen were in her shop.
Come see, the window lock and look to the window, everything gone. Lotion, shampoo, condition, slippers, ear.
She said she had just stocked up for the Yuletide season.
I buy my things then for catch Christmas. Everything gone. See the here near. Here go from them.
And most of them are gone?
Everything gone.
So you recover some stuff?
Yeah, I recover a couple of the hair cream then.
These skin lightening creams and hair-related products were recovered meters from the shop. Head of the St. Andrews South Police, Senior Superintendent Wayne Cameron, said the police responded to the robbery sometime after 4:30.
We got call from our police emergency center that 4 armed men were seen breaking into an establishment on Waltham Park Road, vicinity St. Joseph Road. And of course the police responded promptly. When they got there, they were met with gunfire, and the police responded likewise.
Spent shells and abandoned footwear tell the tale of the gun battle that ensued.
At the end of the exchange of the shooting, 2 men were found suffering from gunshot wounds, one clutching a Taurus pistol. We believe 2 other men escaped, and we believe that a 3rd may have been shot and injured.
The 2 men shot later died. One has been identified as Nicholas Miles, otherwise called Roy Dredd, of a Painland address. He was recently released from detention when the states of emergency expired. SSP Cameron says nearby hospitals have been notified to be on the lookout for patients with gunshot wounds. He's also asking residents to report what they know. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.